Okay, also, good thing about this unit is it will also play, if you go into your iTunes, you see there the red triangle with the 3 red circles, click on that, you'll see Sony Car Audio. If for any reason there's no tick by it, just touch it, make sure it's turned up, and then that's it. Now, when I first got in this car, it wouldn't work. We don't have an instruction book with it. I even looked on the internet and it didn't seem to be clear as to how to make it work. And what it was, this BT audio here was greyed out. So I later found out by searching through all the menus, if you go into settings, and you've got 4 choices along here. That one at the end there looks like a filing cabinet to me, but the second one down, you've got mirror link and full screen. Receiver audio playback during mirror link. Now that was on. So when we go back to here, you can see BT audio is greyed out, and nothing you do, even connecting the USB, will not allow you to play it through there. So into settings, into the one that looks like what I think is a filing cabinet or drawers, receiver audio playback during mirror link, onto there, make sure that's off. Then we go back, BT audio's highlighted, click that, and it's showing there. And if we click play, you're playing. Now, also you can download the Sony app, and it's called the app remote. If you do that, and I'll just take you back to the menu here, plug in, there's a little flap over there, pull the flap back, plug your phone in, click app remote on the screen, allow. If you watch here, there you go, you get a different screen up. It syncs with your the screen of your Sony into BT audio, and here you can fast forward and rewind, change tracks, as you can see there, changing tracks. So why you'd want to do that, I don't know, but you can do.